Neta Kamal Haasan met Rajinikanth at his Poise Garden residence in Chennai today. After the meeting, Kamal Haasan said that the meeting was just a courtesy call and not really political. Rajinikanth heaped praises on Kamal Haasan, saying he had entered politics to serve people in the state and not for fame or for money. But when asked about a political alliance, Rajinikanth said his and Kamal's style are indeed different, even in the films they have done in the past. There have been speculations about both the superstars joining hands in politics. However, both of them have refuted any such possibilities for now.
அரசியல் பயணம் துவங்கி இருக்காரு. அதுக்கு வந்து அழைப்பு நான் வந்து அவருக்கு என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டேன். எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும், நண்பர் கமல்ஹாசன் அவர்களும் பணத்துக்கோ இல்ல பேருக்கோ தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்களை நல்லா பார்த்துக்கணுங்கிற எண்ணத்துல தான் வந்திருக்காங்க. அவங்க ஆண்டவன் நல்ல ஒரு ஆசீர்வாதம் அவங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கணும்னு சொல்லி.
Interesting development there. Let me go across to India today. Shalini Lobo in Chennai. Shalini, so what are your sources telling you? Was this merely a courtesy call in these times of political alliances being formed, or probably there was something more to it?
Well, Pooja, 2 days before Kamal goes off on his political tour, he comes and meets actor Rajinikanth. This was indeed a great moment for everyone here, because this is not something you'd expected. When Kamal is meeting communist leaders, he's meeting senior leaders, former CECs. Rajinikanth was not someone you'd expect the actor to come and meet 2 days before he embarks on his political tour in the state. But one thing, while Kamal said only time will tell about our alliance, Rajinikanth made it a little clear that the alliance is not going to happen. In one of the answers, Rajinikanth did reveal that even in cinemas, Kamal and I had different styles, but our end goal is the same. But the fact that he said different styles, and usually Rajini was the one who would give the answer of only time will tell, but this time Rajini himself said Kamal and I have different styles. This clearly shows that the actors are looking at each other as mere politicians, like how they saw themselves on screen as actors. They never did movies together. Even in politics, it looks like there's no merger is going to take place, but both of them will support each other because they both share the same end goal. Both of them want to serve the people, and hence both of them will support each other and continue supporting each other. Rajini even said that Kamal has asked me for his support, and I pray for his political tour to go without any hitches.
Shalini, is this Kamal Haasan trying to at least ensure that he has as many people to at least not counter him? There may not be support as an alliance, but not really to form political enemies.
Well, indeed, that is very true in this case. Kamal and Rajini know each other for many years. In fact, when they started their careers together, they did many movies together, and a decision not to act together was not because of any kind of competition. It was more because their fans were breaking into fights inside theatres. That is why both the actors decided that the screen is not big enough to carry the both of us, and hence they never did a movie together henceforth. This is how Kamal and Rajini is, and this is Kamal making sure, both Rajini and Kamal make sure that the end goal is the same. They both want to serve the people, hence they won't make political enemies within each other, because they want to serve the same people at the end of the day. But however, when you look at political alliances, Kamal has made it very clear saffron is not my color, and he's gone on in front of the media to say Rajini and I have the same end goal, but our political ideologies are not the same. We have to be compatible, only then we can work together. Clearly saying that I am a person who definitely will not take on saffron, but I can't speak for Rajini, because you have the BJP waiting with open arms to welcome Rajinikanth.
Well, clearly all parties are watching. Shalini Lobo, thank you for giving that.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.